So government has removed indexation benefits from long-term capital gains from sale of assets like real estate or property. So let's analyze it. If you have bought a property for 20 lakh rupees and you are planning to sell it after 10 years, then the cost with indexation will be 30 lakhs 25,000. Now, assuming various growth rates in the property prices, is I've come up with a table which shows different tax liabilities as per old tax regime and as per new tax regime. And the last column shows the difference. So assuming your property grew by only 1% in these 10 years and 20 lakh became 22 lakhs, then in the old regime you would have got a tax benefit of 1,63,000 which you could have claimed in future years. However, in the new tax regime where indexation has been removed and tax is at 12.5%, even for a small increase in property price you will end up paying 26,000 tax, a net loss of 1,89,000, because in the old one you would have got a benefit of 1,63,000 which you have could have offset it against any other capital gains long term, but that is not applicable here. So if you see, as and when the price of the property at the time of selling increases, the old and the new tax liabilities come closer, and it is at this level where your property price has increased by 2.4 times. That is, you bought it at 20 lakh and at the time of selling it is at 47 lakhs, which is a growth rate of 9% per annum. It is then that your tax liability under the old and the new is nearly the same. And for cases where property prices are higher than that at the time of selling, if your property has tripled, like from 20 lakhs to 62 lakhs, tripled, then the tax liability is in fact less by 1,10,000 in case of new regime. So as the property prices at the time of selling increases, the new tax regime becomes beneficial, and the tax liability as per the new regime is smaller as compared to old one. And the higher the price, the lesser tax you will have to pay. And in case this increase in price is substantial, you may end up even getting less tax than the old tax regime.